Okay, this is the place. Let's see what we're going to do. Okay, we're here to collect and bag up these bottles and send them for recycling and to get money for their deposits to charity. Okay, the gloves are on. We set our watch. Let's see how long this thing takes. So we have these 100 bottle sacks. We take 1 litre or 2 litre plastic bottles which have a deposit, and we fill this bag. That's one down. Okay, we're up to 200 bottles. And this is the time. Okay, so here we are, we're finally done. This is the time. Now I didn't go through every single bag. I've got 2 bags of smaller half-litre bottles. We've got glass bottles and we got cans. And I got to rush because it's about to pour. Just remember, it's never too late to do something good. Too late is now pouring. I suppose the moral of the story is, it's never too late to get wet.